fellow hobbyists! Welcome to Cut Dreams in Styrene. I'm your host Gary G, and today we're gonna start a brand new build. And this build is gonna be dedicated to big fine man. We'll talk about later about him. It's called Big Emma. First, as always, the riddle. What's the name of Charlie Mac's cat? A. Betsy, B. Bertha, or C. Biscuits? The answer, as always, at the end of the show. I started this hobby because of YouTube. I saw videos and I thought, well, that's cool, I want to do that too. Then I heard some people saying, well, you know, there's people out there, they watch videos and they learn, but they never give something back to the community. So that's why I started uploading some videos as well. But never would I expect such a warm welcome from this community, you know, me being like 1,000 miles away here in Austria. And one of the first guys who gave me a really warm welcome in form of a little gift was Charlie Mac. So as I heard there's an appreciation build out there for Charlie Mac, of course I wanted to be a part of it. So that's why this channel is going to be dedicated the next couple weeks about this great guy with a heart as big as a pickup truck. We did a lot of scratch building to this build, and we started with the engine. Well, we wanted to have it bigger. And here's some footage from the engine build. Since the original motor was just a 4-cylinder, we decided to want to have a bigger motor, so we made out a 12-cylinder out of it. Charlie has now and then a little helper in his garage.
Woohoo, Charlie!
His cat. Although I'm not sure if she's a really big help to him. But what's the name of Charlie Mac's cat? See you in the riddle. Well, it seems our little show comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of time with us. Check out Charlie's channel if you not did already. But now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next week, folks. Bye, Charlie.
Bye, Charlie!
Well, this build didn't start at all.